Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another YouTube video. Today we are going to do summer's glow up under 5 minutes. This is how my skin looks like right now. गर्मी इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई है कि it made my skin so dull. This is how my skin looks like right now before doing the glow up facial. My skin looks very dull and tired, and this is how my skin looks like after the facial. No, I am not wearing any blush on my cheeks. It's the natural glow that you will get from this facial. So now you have to try this. The first step is scrub. आपको मिलाना है 1 spoon rice flour and 1 spoon of beetroot juice. Also, if you are a dry skin girl, if your skin is extremely dry, you can add honey or aloe vera gel into this scrub. My skin is not extremely dry, so I have skipped it, but you can surely do that. You see, I am also rubbing this onto my neck and onto my lips. That is very essential, girls. Do not forget it ever. You also need to exfoliate your lips because हमारे lips भी sun में exposed होते हैं, वो भी damaged होते हैं. हम daily lipstick wear करते हैं. Wash your face after scrubbing it for 3 to 4 minutes. And the second step is cleansing gel, for which हमें 1 spoon aloe vera gel मिलाना है and 1 spoon of beetroot juice. This will give your skin that calmness and soothingness which all of our skin need in this humid, बहुत ही गर्मी वाला चपचप वाला वेदर. दिस इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल. बस इसको आपको अपने फेस पर मसाज करना है फॉर 5 to 7 minutes एंड देन यू सी द मैजिक. राइस फ्लावर एंड बीटरूट जूस एनीवेज वर्क्स वंडर्स फॉर योर स्किन. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ माई स्किन लुक्स लाइक आफ्टर द सेकेंड स्टेप. Moving on to the third step. For this mask we need to add besan and beetroot juice. Besan will remove all the dirt, oil and impurities from your pores. Together besan and beetroot will hydrate and softens your skin, which your skin absolutely need in this summers. So you need to apply this mask evenly onto your face. Do not forget your neck. Here I have not applied it on my neck क्योंकि मैं भूल गई, but आप लोगों को नहीं भूलना है. Make sure to apply it onto your neck as well. Keep this mask on for 15 minutes and then wash it off and see the magic and the glow. This mask was honestly much needed in this summers. I am though making this mask my routine now. Use this mask twice a week for that pinkish natural glow. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button below and bye bye.